Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 13, how to graph tangent function and cotangent functions. Okay, so what is tangent function? Tangent function just equal to sine theta over cosine theta, and that's it. So it is much easier to draw tangent function than sine and cosine because only two things you need to be careful. Number one is asymptote. Number two is the period. Okay, what is asymptote? The vertical asymptotes for tangent function is due to the denominator. The cosine theta right now it's a troublemaker. It was a sine theta over cosine theta. As long as the cosine theta equal to 0, we're gonna have problems, right? Denominator cannot equal to 0. So when cosine theta equal to 0, when theta equal to pi over 2, or theta equal to 3 pi over 2. Make sense? Okay, in these things happened, we have cosine theta equal to 0. Then we're gonna have problems. So we draw a two vertical asymptote here and then here. Our tangent function cannot touch this line. So when x is approaching to pi over 2, the sine function is getting higher and higher. The cosine function is getting lower and lower. So the ratio is going to very big. One thing you need to be careful. The tangent function do not have a maximum or minimum value. So not like sine function, cosine function, they have a 1 or negative 1 as a maximum minimum. Tangent function do not have that. Tangent function can up to positive infinity to negative infinities. Another difference is a tangent function has a 1 pi period. Not like a cosine and sine, they have a 2 pi period. Tangent function just a 1 pi period. Then, if we have a b situation, in cosine functions, sine functions, we have a b equal to 2 pi over period, right? So for the tangent function, it still apply, but this 2 pi is going to become a pi. Okay, I will show you how to do these things in the next slide. Okay, how to draw these things. How to draw tangent equal to 1/2 theta. Okay, we all know for regular tangent theta, we just draw this. Our bar is a pi over 2, and then our bar is negative pi over 2, and then another one is 3 pi over 2, right? Okay, now the things is changed. Before it's like that, right? Right now, these things going to replacing the original theta. So we're making half theta going to equal to pi over 2. That's how much. Then theta just equal to pi. So originally we have pi over 2 as vertical asymptote. Right now we're going to have a pi as a vertical asymptote. Another one, if we put negative pi here, of course we got negative pi. So negative pi is our vertical asymptote. If we put 3 pi over 2, half theta equal to 3 pi over 2, then theta equal to 3 pi. So we're going to have 3 pi as vertical asymptote. And then we just draw the graph like that. And then another one. And then we're done. Okay, next one. How to draw cotangent 3 theta. Okay, cotangent is almost similar. Almost same with tangent. Just only difference is his vertical asymptote is a little bit shift. Because cotangent equal to cosine over sine. So whenever sine theta equal to 0, we got the problems. Now the sine is a troublemaker. So when sine equal to 0, when sine theta equal to 0, that will be 0, pi, and 2 pi, right? So his vertical asymptotes is going to be 0, pi, and 2 pi. So we're going to making 3 theta equal to his vertical asymptotes. 3 theta equal to 0, So theta equal to 0. 3 theta equal to pi. Theta equal to pi over 3. And then 3 theta equal to 2 pi. And then theta equal to 2 pi over 3. So that is our new vertical asymptotes. So we have a 0 here, is a 1 bar. And then pi over 3, that's the 1 pi. So this is the pi over 3. And then 2 pi over 3, that's the other one. And then we draw it. This is all the asymptotes. However, cotangent function is a decreasing function. It's reversed. That's how you draw it. It's just a switch directions of tangent functions. Of course, the pi is another vertical asymptote. And done. Okay, let's summarize. The vertical asymptotes for tangent function is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. So the distance between here is 1 pi, which is the period of tangent function. Cotangent function, the period is the same thing as 1 pi. And then his vertical asymptote will be 0 and then pi. Another thing is when tangent function is increasing functions, that means when x is increasing, y is increasing. So cotangent function is a decreasing function. That means when x is increasing, the cotangent function is going to look like this. So it will be decreasing like this. Make sense? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you have questions, let me know. I will answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.